Checking your account balance on Bizum is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Open the Bizum app. Launch the Bizum application on your mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to account information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Balance option. In the account information section, find and select the option labeled Balance. This will allow you to view your current account balance. Step 4. Review your balance. After selecting the balance option, your current balance will be displayed on the screen. Take note of the amount shown. Step 5. Log out securely. Once you have checked your balance, make sure to log out of the app for security reasons, especially if you are using a shared device. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Bizum. Always ensure that your app is updated for the best experience.